Wylo is an all-in-one super customizable community platform for brands and creators. But there are just so many platforms to host your community.
So you might ask, why do you want to choose Wylo?
Well, the answer is simple. Wylo is user-friendly and most importantly, super customizable. So customizable that you can choose the exact features you want for your community and just start with it. Isn't it cool? Think about this. Are you a creator who just wants to sell your digital products and engage with your audience over a chat? You can do it. Or are you a brand that just wants to engage your customers by hosting events and by driving discussions over a forum? You can do that as well. And let me tell you a top secret. With Wylo, you can create 50 plus different kinds of communities. And the best part, you just have to pay for what you choose. So intrigued? Kickstart your community in your branding now with Wylo.
If you're looking for information on the Wylo Lifetime Deal and Wylo Review, you've come to the right place. The Wylo Lifetime Deal with a significant discount, and in this post we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Wylo Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Wylo Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. It's hard to grow your brand community in a sea of random posts and trends. With all the noise on social media platforms, you can't effectively manage discussions, host events, sell products, or organize resources despite your follower count. Imagine if there was a platform that made it easy to create and manage your exclusive online community all from one place. Host and manage your online community on your terms. Host free or paid events, sell digital products online, chat with members, organize resources, and more. Let members share, discuss, and connect with each other on your own forum. Wylo is a community building platform that lets you build and manage exclusive online communities to grow your brand. With Wylo, you can create an online forum in minutes for members to engage in discussions, share content, and connect with each other. Because the forum supports multimedia content like text, polls, images, and video, your members can upload relevant content to their discussions. You'll also be able to create public and restricted channels dedicated to specific topics to help structure the online conversation. Control what happens with sophisticated moderation tools including blocking, reporting, and other admin privileges. Wylo makes it easy to create free and paid events, which is perfect for meetings, webinars, cohort courses, and online conferences. Set up event pages with all the nitty-gritty details including guest limits, payments, and locations, and then share all the info with a single link. Don't worry about no shows, the platform will automatically email all registered attendees, keeping your event top of mind. Wylo also lets you sell your digital products such as software, ebooks, music, video, and artwork on your very own digital store. Thanks to the built-in payment processing, you can set up instant secure downloads of your digital product after a confirmed purchase. And if you'd rather keep your content hosted on a separate platform, you can add a direct link to your hosting platform behind the paywall. Best of all, you can allow users to send direct, real-time messages to each other in one-on-one and group conversations. The chat feature supports text, emojis, and multimedia content like GIFs and videos for fun, engaging conversations. And because users can report, mute, and block anyone they'd rather not have contact with, your chat will be a safe space. Trying to grow your community on random social media platforms is like trying to have one conversation across text, DMs, and email. Luckily, Wylo gives you everything you need to host vibrant online communities with discussion forums, events, digital stores, and instant messaging. Create your own space. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Wylo today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.